Here are 7 easy-to-read books that are perfect for English learners, offering simple language and engaging stories to help you improve your skills. Charlotte's Web by E.B. White. 1. Why It's Great. This classic story about friendship between a pig named Wilbur and a spider named Charlotte uses straightforward language and a heartwarming plot. 2. Skill level, beginner to intermediate. 3. What you'll learn. Basic sentence structures, common vocabulary, and emotional expressions. 2. The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. 1. Why It's Great. A philosophical tale filled with simple but meaningful conversations and vivid imagery, making it accessible and thought-provoking. 2. Skill level, beginner to intermediate. 3. What you'll learn. Descriptive language, conversational phrases, and moral lessons. 3. The House on Mango Street by Sandra Cisneros. 1. Why It's Great. A series of short, simple vignettes about a young Latina girl growing up in Chicago. 1. The writing is poetic and easy to follow. 2. Skill level, intermediate. 3. What you'll learn. Everyday vocabulary, cultural context, and creative storytelling. 4. Fantastic Mr. Fox by Roald Dahl. 1. Why It's Great. A fun and imaginative story about a clever fox outwitting farmers, written in an engaging and straightforward style. 2. Skill level, beginner to intermediate. 3. What you'll learn. Simple dialogue, action words, and storytelling techniques. 5. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. 1. Why It's Great. This inspirational story follows Santiago, a shepherd on his journey to find his personal treasure. 1. The language is simple yet profound. 2. Skill level, intermediate. 3. What you'll learn. Philosophical expressions, life lessons, and motivational vocabulary. 6. Diary of a Wimpy Kid by Jeff Kinney. 1. Why It's Great. This lighthearted book is filled with illustrations and simple text, making it an enjoyable and easy read for learners of all ages. 2. Skill level, beginner to intermediate. 3. What you'll learn. Modern slang, humor, and relatable everyday situations. 7. Animal Farm by George Orwell. 1. Why It's Great. Though the story is an allegory with deeper meaning, the language is straightforward and easy to understand for learners. 2. Skill level, intermediate. 3. What you'll learn. Political vocabulary, storytelling techniques, and moral lessons. Tips for reading in English. 1. Start with books you enjoy. Choose stories that interest you to stay motivated. 2. Read aloud. This improves pronunciation and fluency. 3. Use a dictionary. Look up unfamiliar words but focus on understanding the overall story. 4. Take notes. Write down useful phrases or expressions you want to remember. Happy reading?